Hey earring makers! I'm going to show you how to use the Deform selector tool in Lightburn to fit one graphics perfectly into 4 different earring shapes. Start by importing both your earring shapes and the graphic or design you want to warp or deform to fit in your earring shape. Duplicate your graphic for each shape you are designing. Next, select your graphic, then click on Tools, and lastly, click on Warp or Deform selector. I am going to use the Deform selector. You'll see a grid appear over your image. Drag the points or handles to warp or deform your image into the earring shape, stretching it to fit your shape. Continue to duplicate the graphic into each different shape and follow the same process for each graphic. This will allow you to customize your graphic or image to fit into your shapes. Let's speed it up a bit to see the one leaf design being shaped into these 4 shapes: oval, teardrop, skinny teardrop, and leaf-shaped earring. Let's review. In Lightburn, click Tools, click Warp or Deform selector, and let the creativity begin. That's it. Super quick, right? Let me know what designs you're making with these tools in the comments. Like, subscribe, and follow for more Lightburn laser tips. Thank you for watching and happy earring making.